Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Black Adam from the new movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Black Adam, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right up here. We'll make the eyebrows. I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to come up and then over. And same thing here, we're just going to come up and over for the eyebrows. We'll make them a little bit darker. Now right underneath here, I'm going to make an oval for the eye, and we'll make another oval for an eye right here. Starting here, we're going to make two lines that come down for the nose. We're going to draw a little smiley face shape. And then we're going to make two little curved lines on each side. Now for the mouth, I'm going to make lines going to go up. It's going to come over and then down. And then we're going to make a little line right underneath it. On the sides of the face, I'm going to make lines going to go out and in, and out and in. Then we're going to bring these down for the sides. We're going to bring these lines in just a little bit. Bring them in, we're going to come over and then up. We'll make a little curved line here. Starting here, I'm going to make lines going to go up. We're going to curve it around for the head, and then we're going to bring it back down. Right here, we're going to make a little oval shape on each side for the ears. I'm going to make a couple little lines right here. Starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that come down for the neck. And then we're going to make two more little lines right here for the collarbone. We'll draw two lines that come down. And then we're going to make a curved line that comes right around to connect it. I'm going to bring these lines down just a little bit farther. Then starting out here for the chest, we're going to make lines going to come out. We're going to come in and up. Same thing here. We're going to go out. We're going to come in and then up. Then we're going to bring this line up. We're going to curve this line down for one of the shoulders. And then we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to curve this line down. We're going to make a line that comes over on each side. We're going to make a line that comes down on each side. Then we're going to come straight down. We're going to bring this line across. Then we'll make a little curve, and we'll make another kind of broken line across. Bring this down, and then we'll make another one of these shapes here that kind of curve in and go up. Next, we're going to make lines going to come up. We're going to go over and down. We're going to curve a couple lines across and then one down. We'll add a couple little lines right here. Starting here, I'm going to go out and then in. Then I'm going to go out and in again. Same thing here, I'm going to go out and then in, and out and then in again. Next, I'm going to bring this line out, and then I'm going to come down. Same thing here, out, and then we're going to bring it really close together right there. Over here, we're going to make this come out, and we're going to go down. And this one, we're going to come out a little bit, and then we're going to make it really close together. I'm going to connect this line here and this line here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to curve it around and bring it up. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line down and around. Then we're going to bring it up here. We're going to curve this line around. We'll do one more here. We'll do one there. Over here, I'm going to bring this line down. And then we're going to bring it back. I'm going to put another little line here. Bring this line around, and then this line around and up. Bring this line over and then up here, just to make it look like a fist. Now right here, we're going to connect this line here, and then we're going to connect this line up here. We'll make two little curved lines here, and then we're going to make two more lines here. And we'll make two more lines right here. Make the lines come in a little bit. Make this line curve down. And I'm going to make this line curve down. We'll make another little curve here for the knee. And then we're going to make it come out. We're going to go down and then bring it up. I'm going to add a little line here and one here. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line out and in. And same thing here, out and then in. Then we're going to bring this line down and up to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to make it just a little bit lower, so we'll put the knee about here. And I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to bring it out here and then down, really close to the edge. I'm going to curve this around and up, and then we're going to curve it in. I'm going to go up and then just bring it right up to here. We're going to curve it in and then leave a little space right in there. I'm going to draw a little line right across here. Then we're going to make a little line right over here just to show where part of that leg is, and then we'll add a couple little lines on the legs as well. A little line here. Now I want to come in here and add the cape. So I'm going to begin by making a little line that's going to come up and down here, and the little bump there. And then we'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to make like a little line that comes up and down, and then a little line down. We're going to make a line that's going to curve up here. I'm going to bring this down and in. Then I'm just going to make this kind of wavy around here. We'll bring it up. And then we'll curve this one around and then bring it back. Then I'll make part of the line over here too. Make a couple lines here, and then a few lines right around here. And we'll make just a couple little extra lines in here just to make it look like the cape's really blowing, and there's like a lot of fabric and lines on it. Then, just for a couple extra details, we can put a few little lines in here. I'll draw a little line right here by his bicep, and one over here. We'll make some more lines right across his chest, and a line or two here. Leave him give him some lines underneath his eyes. And maybe a line or two right here. and even a line by his head. I'm going to make a couple little extra lines right by the feet. And there you go, there is your drawing of Black Adam. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.